Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Younger Sister Just Want Me to Coax Her, chapter 37, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Muyang, right now, she was calling Suli. Suli, she's been crazy. Right now, Muyang, she's getting angry, and she was coughing. You, again. Right now, Muyang, what is it, this time? She was asking Suli why she's doing things like that, especially right now. Muyang, shouldn't a good dog lift herself higher when she's being petted? Shouldn't a good dog? Right now, Muyang said, Suli shouldn't be like this. She obviously loves me the most and cares for me the most, but right now, she feels really different. Even at this point, you're not willing to beg for mercy from me once, Suli said to her. Of course, right now, Suli, because I'm a bodyguard, the shadow standing behind you. You can just ignore me and my love, right? Suli is asking her. Don't want to raise a child to be a good dog for others. I'll make you hurt and hate me. You'll never be able to leave my shadow. Oh, this is bad. Right now, Suli is trying to provoke her and also tease her so much. Looking at Moyang seems to be uncomfortable. But Suli said to her, I really mean right? Suli said to her, right now, Moyang. After finish right now, he's going to take a bath. Now the sun is going to set. Turns out, it was a long night for the two of them. Muyang, she was carrying a towel and she's going to take a bath on a hot tub. Well, let's see. When she checked the temperature, it seems that everything is fine. Muyang, finally, she can really take a bath. Suddenly, when she looked up, Pasuli right now was calling her, Master. Yang seems to be rattled. She looks really uncomfortable. On the other hand, it was Suli. Yang said, Suli. Suli still not changing her clothes, although it was a morning right now. It seems that she was really plotting something. No. Is she going to continue? Muyang said to herself. Right now, it seems that Suli, she's been crazy. After a few minutes, they take a shower. Well, let's see. What could be the Muyang's reactions on this? Turns out, she really feels so good. It was so gentle. Same as before, I am too nervous. Muyang said to Suli, but right now, Muyang, Suli has been washing her heads and also her hair. Close her eyes and mouth. Well, it seems that, Muyang, is she really going? It seems that she is not wearing anywhere. Well, let's see what will happen next. Right now, Muyang, she's trying to remember last night. Well, when she looked back and she's going to face Suli. But right now, Suli. Suddenly, she gets pushed by Muyang. Well, definitely, she really feels awkward because of what happened last night and right now, Muyang, she can really face her. I'm a little bit worried about Mengyan and others. Right now, she completely discouraged. Muyang, she was really thinking something and called them. After all, what happened was that Muyang family. Last night, Mengyan is still your girlfriend. It doesn't matter anymore. Muyang said, obviously last night I drank too much. Don't remember much now. If I have offended you, master, I can apologize. Oh, this girl. Of course, Muyang. She was really hurt by now. It's like she's been rejected. Also, Suli moved closer to her and said to her, so, did I do something wrong? Suli is trying to coax her. Hey guys, this is only the short story, the full version. So watch it later. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!